Relational databases contain critical enterprise information. Business success depends on providing employees, partners, and customers continuous access to this information. As such, database access must be available to internal, Internet, and extranet sources, without being hidden behind perimeter firewalls. Because databases are exposed to these various sources, they are vulnerable to attacks and misuse. To keep valuable information safe, as well as to handle increased government regulations, organizations need a specialized layer of security. In this presentation, you will learn how the zero-impact SQL Guard database security platform fills this need, enabling companies to efficiently monitor, report, and manage all database access activities. The SQL Guard Security Suite applications provide further enhancements, such as unprecedented database visibility and control, simplified automated database audit tasks, swift enforcement of security policies and regulatory compliance rules, and unique database firewall blocking capabilities. Anne is an IT security officer who is responsible for monitoring her organization's adherence to IT security policies. She has created an alert that notifies her when consecutive multiple failed login attempts have occurred in the same user account. A few days later, Anne receives a notice that the user account, M. Colby, has experienced at least 10 failed login attempts. As a result, Anne locks out user M. Colby from accessing the database until she can further investigate the situation. Real-time monitoring provides full visibility into the who, what, when, where, and how of system access, preventing potentially hostile breaches of security and privacy. In our next scenario, Mike is an auditor who uses SQL Audit Guard's powerful workflow capabilities to generate and distribute audit reports, as well as securely store copies locally and in a central archive location. While reviewing a weekly SQL Guard report about source programs accessing financial data, he notices that someone has accessed the database repeatedly using Microsoft Excel. This practice could lead to inadvertent yet difficult to find mistakes. Mike checks SQL Health Guard's interactive client-server access map to quickly and easily drill down into the customized report and discover which user executed the unauthorized activity. The report drill down delivers detailed access activity information about the production and administrative applications that are accessing the database. User V. Armada has been using Excel to launch a variety of SQL commands in the database. Mike takes action to prevent further occurrences of this kind. Mike also defines a rule in SQL Policy Guard that immediately notifies him the next time any user modifies the database using Excel. This practice of continuous monitoring and alerting prevents potential compliance breaches. In the last scenario, David, a database administrator, is responsible for assuring maximum database availability and performance. He created a DDL activity report in SQL Guard using the custom report builder to monitor massive database definition changes. David recognizes that massive DDL changes, like drop table statements, can have a detrimental effect on end users. David used SQL Audit Guard to run this report on a weekly basis to track the database servers affected when a DDL command is executed. In addition, he uses SQL Guard's unique database firewall capabilities to prevent create and drop commands from occurring on production databases during peak activity hours on any object in the database. With real-time security monitoring occurring behind the scenes automatically, David is freed up for more vital DBA tasks. Thanks for taking a few minutes to learn more about Guardium SQL Guard Secured Platform and the SQL Guard Security Suite. Let Guardium's non-intrusive enterprise-class solutions help you safeguard your databases, continuously deliver real-time database security health assessments, automate and simplify auditing processes, enforce policies and prevent unauthorized activities, guarantee granular role separation by operating outside of the database, and meet compliance requirements by using database compliance accelerator solutions. Contact Guardium today for more information and a database security assessment.